Hey. How are you doing? Do you remember me? I used to work at Dale's.
Oh, my hey, yeah, I remember you. You used to work at the Coney Islands.
Yeah, this is my daughter.
Oh, really? Yeah, that's why she said you know my mom, you know my me.
Yeah, how you been?
I've been good man, I gotta give you a hug.
You live here?
Yeah, I must have not have told you. But I live here, come visit me sometime.
I will well you have a good night Nick, it was nice seeing you.
It was nice seeing you too. Have a good night, come visit me soon, the last time I seen you was at the store.